We are back again, this time with the same stuff. If you want to upgrade your tostones, you can turn it into baskets and stuff it with prawns. So that's what we're going to do now. We're going to upgrade our tostones. I'm going to make these baskets out of the plantain, and I'm going to stuff it with prawns. Very simple, and it's very delicious. It's also another Cuban dish that we're going to try today. Also, you can do it with ham and cheese or any other meat you would like to put inside. We're going to do the same. We're going to peel the bananas. You know, safety first, be careful with the knife. Remember that you can use also the peeler. This time we're going to cut the bananas in bigger pieces. So we're going to cut it into 3. Peel another one so we can make for the whole baskets, for the whole family, sorry.
What you doing there?
Trying to cook in silence. We're going to put it on the hot oil. We need to make sure that the oil covers the whole plantain. And then we're going to fry it for 3-4 minutes until he gets the yellow color. Okay, my friends, now the plantains have this color, like golden brown color. You take them out and it is ready to turn it into baskets. Use something very simple and that is in everybody's home, and it is a juicer. So we're going to take the juicer, we're going to take the banana, put it that way, and we're going to smash it, and we're going to have our basket. Here we are. Next, we have the basket, and it is the same process. We use the tostones. We put it back into the fire for 1 minute, just to cook it a little bit. Now that our baskets are ready, it's time to add the prawns. So this time we made garlic prawns, but you can choose your favorite way of doing it. I like it with garlic. Some other people prefer in tomato sauce, you know, in enchilado. Or also you can use any other kind of meat, ham and cheese. Also are really nice. Also with ropa vieja, the shredded beef in tomato sauce. Is also a very good ingredient, not a good meat to put in it. Or you can do it with veggies, why not? So we are going to stuff these baskets with the prawns, garlic prawns, and our tostones rellenos are ready. So here you are, my Simply Cuban friends, another Cuban dish, an upgrade of the so famous Cuban tostones. This time, these beautiful baskets stuffed with prawns. So it is tostones rellenos con camarones. So let me know in your comments which one do you like more, the tostones, the traditional tostones, or the tostones rellenos, the stuffed plantain with prawn. Thank you.